Yes, ladies and gentlemen, how are you doing? Hope you're doing great, everybody right out there. For my subscribers, thank you for keeping up to my channel. For new coming subscribers, please press that subscription button and keep locked to us. This is Modern Computer World. Today we are going to talk about a computer. A computer is a multi-purpose electronic device that can input, store, process, and output information. Right about now today, we are going to look at this kind of a computer that I have brought out to you. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you a piano or a keyboard. This is also categorized under a computer that is a special purpose computers. These are the computers that are designed to perform a particular task. What is the use of this piano? It is used actually to play music, Why do we call this one a computer? First of all, it can input, store, process, and output information. How does it input? The piano has keys. Please show them keys. These are the keys. These are the keys that the piano allows to enter its commands or instructions into it. Then it processes inside. It has a memory. I think you can see the screen. Show them the screen. This screen helps me to see the everything I put. I put commands. It processes it. I see it. This acts as also an output for the piano for me to see what I put, whether it's correct or wrong. It processes inside in it. Then it outputs information. The information it outputs is music. So these are the speakers. I think you can hear. These are the speakers. They are the speakers that output the information after putting in our commands. So this also it makes it fall under a category of computers. As we Modern Computer World UG, we are here to bring you different categories of a computer. Keep locked to our channel so that next time we can show you how this machine works, how this computer works, different ways of playing this machine, this computer, how to operate it, where to operate it. Thank you very much. Keep locked to our channel.